Here are the top 4 online pharmacies that can save you money on prescriptions. I'm the CyberGuy, and prescriptions can be super pricey, which is why I want to make sure you know about these online resources you can use to save a few bucks when getting medication. First, if you're an Amazon Prime member, you're eligible for Amazon RX Pass for just $5 a month. You get a free 2-day delivery, and Amazon knocks down the prices of tons of medications, and the more generic the brand, the cheaper it gets. Just head to pharmacy.amazon.com and type in the name of your medication in the search bar. Next, while you may know who Mark Cuban is from Shark Tank, did you know he founded the online prescription medication service called Cost Plus Drugs? The billionaire entrepreneur wants everyone to have safe access to medication and a transparent price. So just search for your medication, have your doctor send your prescription over to the Cost Plus Drugs pharmacy, and they'll ship it right to your door. Another great online pharmacy option is Blink RX. They've got no membership costs and offer free delivery nationwide. There are discounts on over 15,000 prescriptions, and there are options to pick up from local pharmacies in case you don't want the medication shipped. Insurance will help lower the costs here. However, you don't need insurance to use Blink RX. Finally, Genius RX is a super cheap option with, again, no membership fee and free standard shipping. You also don't need insurance to use Genius RX. You will need a prescription from a doctor to use each of these services. We searched the high blood pressure medication lisinopril on each site, and these were their total cost on each. You can see how affordable these online retailers are at making it to get medication. For more tips to save money using tech every day, head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter.